welcome back to my channel. I'm April Hendricks. On today's video, we're gonna do some interior decorating, and we will be decorating this wall here. So originally, I wanted to put like a big mirror here, but I just could not find the perfect mirror to fit this space. So I had to scratch that idea, go back to the drawing board, grabbed a couple things from my favorite store, which is Homegoods, and we're gonna try it out and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Went ahead and I put the tape up to mark out each spot where I will hang the decor at. So I marked it out and measured it. Hopefully it's, in a straight line. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang the first row, and then I'm gonna repeat the same step when I hang the second row. So I'll be right back. right, guys, so here is the wall so far. I've hung up the wall decor. It looks good. I like it so far. I do need to grab a couple more things. I need to go to Home Depot to get some plants to come up out of here so that it can kind of come up and add some greenery to this wall, but it's closed, so I have to do that tomorrow. So can't finish today. I'll be finishing it tomorrow. Also, I was looking at this piece of wall right here. I feel like it needs a little something, but I haven't decided yet. So I'm gonna go back to Homegoods tomorrow as well to see if I can find something that would go good with this space. So be back tomorrow. Alright guys, so I'm back today. Yesterday I had to end the video because I needed to go to Home Depot to get some palm trees to plant in this fixture here. So I bought a palm and then I replanted them in the little pots that came inside of here. And yeah, that was interesting. I didn't get to record that, but I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here so we can see what that looks like. So here is one planter that I replanted this piece of a palm in. It's a king palm. It was one and I just split it into two. I had an extra piece left, but I didn't have an extra planter, so we're gonna go ahead and put these inside.